Greetings and welcome to another edition of Daniel Messenger's Bitcoin Analysis. Today's episode will be focusing on the rally we just had. From our previous low of $339.79, we have rallied above 450. This is over a 20% movement in a 4-day period. This is extremely bullish. We have crossed above our previous low of 398. That resistance is no longer resistance, it is now support. So look to be trading between 400 and 550. Now our tier 1 has become our support. Now our tier 2 is what we're looking at next. This 550 area. Well, 500 first, obviously. We need to cross that psychological number. But once we break 500, what you need to be looking at is how does it react when it approaches 550. Because it could easily dump back down to... But what I really like is the fact that we have crossed, our blue line has crossed above our yellow line on our MACD chart, our moving averaging convergence divergence indicator. We've had our second green bar in a row develop as this crossover happens. This is one of the strongest indicators that I watch. So in a week from now, we may be never seeing these lows again. But at the same time, we could be hanging out here between 400 and 500 for quite some time. If no trend develops between 400 and 500 in the next week, expect more downwards movement, possibly breaking our 339, and if we break our 339, expect downwards movement all the way to $250. So I will give you a tier list right now of brackets to just be watching range movement, and from there just judge for yourself where you want to get in, where you want to get out. But as of now, we are trading a little above our daily and weekly numbers, but we are approaching our monthly. Once we break that, again, look how it reacts to 550, and from 550 we can expect all the way up to 700 because there's not much resistance between 550 and 700. That's all I wanted to let you guys know, just that we have rallied and we are developing into a short-term bull trend. But again, if we can't break 500, it will turn back into a bear, because this market is very fearful right now with all the news that has come out and all the price action. To be at $1,200 in December down to $350, it's quite a hefty difference. But at the same time, in a way, it solidifies Bitcoin, that all of it's been through. That if it still is running, that's pretty strong. Thanks for listening, and remember to keep on keeping on.